What if I told you Mercedes-Benz doesn't just build luxury cars, it builds an entire ladder of success. Every step up unlocks a new level of prestige, technology, comfort, and performance. So buckle up, because today we're climbing all 7 levels of Mercedes-Benz ownership. And trust me, the final level completely changes what you think a car can be. Let's begin. Level 1, Mercedes-Benz A-Class. Every journey has a starting point, and for Mercedes-Benz, that journey begins with the A-Class. As the brand's most accessible luxury model, the A-Class proves that entry-level doesn't have to feel ordinary. Under the hood sits a 2.0-liter turbocharged 4-cylinder engine producing 188 horsepower, paired with a smooth 7-speed dual-clutch transmission. It's quick enough to make every city drive enjoyable while remaining refined on long highway trips. Step inside and the surprise continues. Leather seating options, turbine-inspired air vents, customizable 64-color ambient lighting, and the impressive dual-screen MBUX infotainment system instantly make the cabin feel far more expensive than its price suggests. Simply say, "Hey Mercedes," and the car responds naturally, adjusting climate settings or helping you navigate. The cabin remains impressively quiet for a compact sedan, while the suspension balances comfort with just enough sportiness to remind you you're driving a German luxury car. It's the perfect introduction to the Mercedes experience. For young professionals and first-time luxury buyers, the A-Class delivers genuine prestige without entering 6-figure territory. But once you've experienced your first Mercedes, something unexpected happens. You begin wondering what the next step feels like. And that's where Mercedes starts working its magic. Level 2, Mercedes-Benz C-Class. The moment you move into the C-Class, everything feels more mature. This isn't simply a larger A-Class, it's built on a rear-wheel drive platform that transforms how the car behaves on the road. Power increases to 255 horsepower thanks to its turbocharged engine with a 48-volt mild hybrid system, delivering smoother acceleration and stronger highway performance. Press the accelerator, and the engine responds with effortless confidence. The steering feels more connected, corners become more enjoyable, and long-distance cruising suddenly feels almost effortless. Inside, the cabin takes another huge leap. Rich leather upholstery, genuine wood trim, metallic accents, and a massive portrait-style touchscreen inspired by the flagship S-Class create an atmosphere that feels genuinely premium. Ambient lighting flows across the dashboard, while the available Burmester sound system fills the cabin with crystal-clear audio. Even the smallest details stand out. The doors close with a satisfying solid thud. The controls move with precision, and road noise fades into the background. 4-hour highway journeys begin to feel surprisingly relaxing. For ambitious professionals and growing families, the C-Class represents the perfect balance between performance and luxury. Yet Mercedes isn't finished, because once comfort becomes your new normal, you start craving even more space, even more refinement, and that's where the next level changes everything. Level 3, Mercedes-Benz E-Class. Welcome to the heart of the Mercedes-Benz lineup. The E-Class has earned its reputation as one of the world's greatest executive sedans because it perfectly blends technology, luxury, and effortless performance. Choose the E350, and you get refined, turbocharged efficiency. Step into the E450, and its silky, turbocharged inline-6 transforms every highway merge into a moment you'll actually look forward to. The acceleration is smooth rather than aggressive, delivering power with quiet confidence instead of unnecessary drama. Inside, luxury reaches an entirely different standard. The available Superscreen stretches across the dashboard, surrounding you with digital displays that feel pulled straight from the future. Rich, open-pore wood, brushed aluminum, premium Napa leather, and beautifully crafted controls create an environment that rivals many ultra-luxury brands. Then come the comfort features. Massage seats gently reduce fatigue during long drives. Multi-zone ambient lighting transforms the cabin after sunset. Acoustic glass blocks outside noise so effectively that conversations remain effortless even at highway speeds. The ride quality is equally impressive. Optional air suspension glides over broken pavement with remarkable composure, making every commute feel more like first-class travel. This is the first Mercedes that doesn't simply transport you, it actively helps you relax. And once you've experienced this level of refinement, you begin asking a different question. What if you could have all of this luxury, but with the commanding driving position and and versatility of an SUV? That's exactly where Mercedes takes us next. Level 4, Mercedes-Benz GLC. The Mercedes journey takes an exciting turn here. Instead of making the sedan larger, Mercedes lifts the entire experience. Welcome to the GLC, the brand's best-selling SUV, and proof that practicality doesn't have to sacrifice luxury. Built with the same premium DNA as the C-Class, the GLC combines a refined 255 horsepower mild hybrid engine with standard 4 MATIC all-wheel drive. You immediately notice the higher seating position, giving you a commanding view of the road, while the suspension effortlessly smooths out rough pavement. Whether you're navigating busy city streets or cruising across the highway, the cabin remains impressively quiet and composed. Inside, premium leather seats, elegant wood trim, 64-color ambient lighting, and the latest MBUX system surround you in modern luxury. There's also significantly more cargo space, generous rear legroom, and the flexibility every family appreciates. The GLC isn't just about getting somewhere, it makes every trip feel effortless. If you're enjoying this Mercedes journey so far, make sure to subscribe because the final level represents luxury that most people will only ever experience from the passenger seat. But even the GLC isn't the end of Mercedes's SUV story. The next level becomes larger, smoother, and dramatically more luxurious. Level 5, Mercedes-Benz GLE. This is where Mercedes transforms an SUV into a luxury grand tourer. The GLE is bigger, more commanding, and built for families who refuse to compromise. Available with either a refined turbocharged 4-cylinder or the silky 375 horsepower turbocharged inline-6, every press of the accelerator feels smooth, effortless, and incredibly refined. Step inside and you're welcomed by twin digital displays stretching across the dashboard, beautifully stitched leather, genuine wood trim, illuminated ambient lighting, and available massaging seats that make long-distance travel surprisingly relaxing. On the highway, the GLE truly shines. Optional e-active body control scans the road ahead and adjusts the suspension before you even reach bumps, creating a floating sensation that's difficult to believe until you experience it yourself. Add the Burmester surround sound system and the Whisper quiet cabin, and every journey begins to feel like a private concert. It's spacious enough for family adventures, yet luxurious enough for executive travel. Most buyers think this is as good as Mercedes gets, but Mercedes has one legendary name waiting above it, a name that has defined luxury for generations. Level 6, Mercedes-Benz S-Class. This is the car every luxury manufacturer studies. The S-Class has spent decades introducing technologies that eventually appear throughout the automotive world. Powered by a refined, turbocharged inline-6, producing 442 horsepower, it accelerates with astonishing ease, yet inside you barely notice the speed. The engine whispers quietly, while the outside world almost disappears. Open the soft, close doors, and you'll discover one of the finest interiors ever built. Premium Napa leather covers nearly every surface. Genuine wood flows across the dashboard, and 19-way adjustable seats offer heating, ventilation, and multiple massage programs that leave you feeling refreshed after hours behind the wheel. The OLED touchscreen, augmented reality navigation, intelligent driver assistance systems, and Burmester 4D audio system create an experience that's both futuristic and incredibly relaxing. Air suspension transforms broken pavement into smooth asphalt, making every mile feel effortless. The S-Class doesn't simply drive you, it removes stress from the journey itself. Most luxury sedans aspire to reach this level, but Mercedes still has one final masterpiece. And this final step isn't designed around the driver, it's designed around the passenger. Level 7, Mercedes-Maybach S-Class. Welcome to the summit. The Mercedes-Maybach S-Class isn't simply a more expensive S-Class, it's a completely different philosophy of luxury. Its handcrafted cabin feels more like an exclusive private lounge than an automobile. Rich, semi-aniline leather, exquisite open-pore wood, beautifully polished metal accents, and executive rear seats that recline deeply transform every journey into an experience of complete relaxation. A twin turbocharged V8 delivers effortless performance, but speed is almost irrelevant here. Everything is engineered for serenity. The specially tuned air suspension glides over the road with incredible smoothness, while advanced sound insulation creates an almost silent environment. Rear passengers enjoy generous legroom, power closing doors, ambient lighting, champagne storage, personalized climate controls, and a Burmester 4D sound system that turns music into an immersive experience. Owning a Maybach isn't simply about transportation, it's about making a statement. It's the point where Mercedes-Benz becomes true automotive artistry. So here's the question, is this your dream car? Or would another level on today's journey be the perfect Mercedes for you? Let us know in the comments. From the youthful A-Class to the legendary C-Class, from the executive comfort of the E-Class to the versatile luxury of the GLC and GLE, from the technological masterpiece that is the S-Class to the breathtaking exclusivity of the Mercedes-Maybach, every step represents another level of achievement. That's what makes Mercedes-Benz so special. No matter where you begin, every model offers a taste of something greater waiting above it. Now we want to hear from you. Which Mercedes would you own? Which level impressed you the most? Let us know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this journey through the 7 levels of Mercedes-Benz, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more cinematic automotive documentaries.